Hi, I'm Brian Davis, Field Applications Engineer for the Anli쓰 company. We're here to introduce our MT8862A wireless connectivity tester, or wireless LAN tester. What's so unique about the MT8862A is that it can do full 802.11a, b, g, n, and AC signaling. So here we've got a USB DUT that's set in 802.11 AC signaling mode, connected up over RF to the front of the MT8862A. Using a PC over an Ethernet connection, we control the 8862A and set up its network capability. To do that, we simply use any web browser and insert the IP address of the 8862A in the web browser. And then we can go and select what kind of network we want to set up. Then we can decide if we're going to do transmitter tests, receiver tests, and then set up the bandwidth, modulation and coding index, the guard interval, and the channel we want to use. So as you select different standards for 802.11, you'll see that the channel numbers change. So as channel numbers are standardized in the specifications, we adjust the firmware accordingly in the 8862A. In the Results tab, you can tell it which kinds of results you want to look at, either numerical data for power, EVM, or IQ constellation, or power profile, or spectrum. Or you can look at them all in real time. In the summary area, we have a numeric summary result giving you some information about the network that you've set up, the power levels being seen, EVM measurements with peak percentage and dB values in an average, maximum, and minimum fashion. We also have center frequency, error information, as well as IQ imbalance. Since the 8862 can do real-time signaling, we can also do end-to-end IP data transfer. So on the second Ethernet port on the back of the 8862, you can connect up another PC or connect it up to a real network and have packets flowing through the 8862. This will allow you to do iPerf, FTP, or any other kind of data application testing. We also have a graphical measurement for power profile, IQ constellation, and spectrum plots for your uplink. Any of these can be blown up and looked at in greater detail. So as you can see, the MT8862 is quite easy to set up and gives you great RF measurements, as well as the ability to do end-to-end IP throughput for all 802.11 standards.